In this question, PS is the height for RQ and QT is the height for base PR, and we are going to find out the length of QT. So first we are finding area of PQR for given base and height value, that is half PRQ multiplied by PS. RQ and PS both are given 6 unit. Therefore, half multiplied by 6 into 6, 36, half is 18 square unit. Area of this triangle PQR is 18 square unit. Same area we are using to find out QT. Therefore, again, area of triangle PQR is equal to half multiplied by, now our base is PR and height is QT. Second time, base and height are different for the same triangle. Therefore, 18 is equal to half multiplied by PR is given 12 multiplied by QT we are going to find. Therefore, here 2 ones are and 2 6 are. Both are divisible. Now 6 is transferred to LHS side, so it is divided. 18 upon 6 is equal to QT. Therefore, length of QT is 3 unit. Now in question number 4, this figure is given where in triangle ABC, this AP is height to side BC and BDC is another triangle which is having the same base, and by construction we are constructing DQ as the height of the same triangle DBC. So DQ is our construction. So DQ is perpendicular to BC. Now area of triangle, in these two triangles AP and DQ both are equal because lines are given parallel in the question, that is AD line is parallel to BC, and there is a rule when the parallel lines are there, heights between the parallel lines are equal. Since AP and DQ both are height, so therefore they are equal. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD, our heights are equal, so only base ratios we are taking, B1 upon B2, reason is equal height. Now B1 for this triangle ABC, that is base for triangle ABC is BC, again base for triangle BCD is also BC. Therefore ratio is 1 upon 1. By cross multiplication the areas are congruent or equal. So this proves that whenever the triangles are drawn between the two parallel lines, their areas are equal because they are having common base and equal height. Now in question number 5, 4 sub questions are there. So for that we are using the properties of equal height or equal base wherever it is necessary. For first question, in triangle, area of triangle PBQ upon area of triangle PBC, figure is given in the question. So first student write down question, draw the figure and then write down his answer. Here I had given only answer on board. So please write down question and draw the figure from the textbook. Now from the textbook, triangle PBQ, the height is PQ, and this triangle triangle PBQ, base and heights are BQ and PQ, and for triangle PBC, again base is BC but height is PQ only. Therefore here the areas of the triangles are having equal height, so only base ratios are coming. B1 upon B2 is equal to BQ upon BC. Since here lengths are not given, so this is only our answer. Second question, area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Again here in these two triangles our base is equal, so only corresponding heights ratios are there. H1 upon H2. H1 is PQ and H2 is AD. Therefore PQ upon AD, reason is equal base. Similarly in sub question 3, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. Again here both the triangles are having equal height, so only base ratios are there. B1 upon B2 equal to BC upon DC, reason is equal height. Fourth question is remaining, that you do yourself. Here since I am not having space to write down, So this is for homework. You have to do yourself. First, sub question 4 from the same question, question number 5. And this is the last question of this exercise, practice set 1.1. So please complete, write down questions from the textbook and then write down answer.